Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. I have a new to me monthly subscription box, so I am going to get this for a little bit. And this is the P Louise. All of us are a little fragile babe. Spread your wing and fly monthly beauty box. Now this is a UK, I believe, brand box. It's beautiful packaging. I mean, I did pull the little tab. Beautiful, beautiful packaging. Box is a little smashed, but everything's fine. So right here, I think this is $40 a month for their beauty box, but the shipping is killer. It's $18 to be shipped. Now they do have a US site. I don't know why they just don't have product over here to ship. To lower that shipping cost, it was $18 to ship from the UK. I did save the mailer, so it comes in a beautiful pink mailer. Comes internationally tracked, Royal Mail, all that good stuff. So I wanted to, let you know that the shipping is killer. From what I understand, it's worth it. And I was always hesitant to try this because of the shipping. So like I said, you do shop on the US site to get this. But like I said, I wish they would have enough product for each month's box here in the US to cut that down. So this is how it comes. Little air pillow in here, so that is sufficient. So I'll show you what you get. Exciting, exciting. Packaging is 10 out of 10 for P Louise. Hungry eyes. So you get eyelash trio right here. I will be sharing these. I don't wear lashes. Once again, the lashes, can I take them out to show them? I don't know. I wish that it would come with the glue. If you don't have the glue, then you're kind of stuck. Like they could have included glue. Small little thing of glue could have been like in the back. So I will share them. I do not wear lashes. I don't need to at the moment, but I do have magnetic if I choose to. So nice, 3 little set. I don't have pricing on anything, so we'll have to just wing it. This is, have you heard the rumor? P Louise base right here. And let's open this up. How does this open? Okay, looks like you get a fair amount of stuff here. Out of a little plastic bag here. So we have, and it's like on the paper. How does this open? Now's your chance to try. You won't know how you've lived without it. Available in 12 shades. I don't know what this one is. This is Rumor 02. It's like glued to the paper. Right here, I am going to open this to see. Is a tube. I'll put a little bit out and see if it's going to be a good color for me. I don't know. Rumor 02. I guess they just choose. I don't remember. Did we have to do a little quiz? So I would think that that's a little odd for me. Cut the crease, prime the lid in the waterline, carve the brow, brighten up your under eye, as a lip and body art, as a cream contour. So lots of uses. I could see that maybe just being like a lid base for me. Right here, beautiful. Like I said, beautiful packaging. So not horrible. I'm gonna stick it back to that. The next product in here is a glitter liner duo. Generally don't like the glitter part, but let's open her up. That's the bottom end. Yeah, they're both trying not to get hurt here. Let's open these up and see what these look like. Nice, two tones, like a pinky one and a gold. Let's try the pink one. I don't know which way these go. Okay, so this is the top. Yeah, it's a liner. Oh, nice. So we're just going to come off to the side. Oh, that's really pretty. I just did it over here. That's adorable. I could see myself using that. Rather than a harsh liner, do something like that. Okay. And then this one is more like a copper color. Let's try this one. I'm going to try to go right next to it so you guys can see the difference. I think the pink is lighter, and then you can see the coppery one. Nice. I like those. And you don't have to just use them upper. Sometimes I like them under, because I don't generally always do an upper lid one, but nice. Happy to have that. They're really pretty. The coppery one is like a favorite. So I have 4 of these in here, and I don't know what these are. Right here. I have my magnifier out because I didn't know if things would be difficult to see with this. So these are lip base, hydrating formula, stays put all day, cosmetic base. But what are they? Intense color, so you can slay all day. So this is definitely a lip right here. So let's see what that is. So is that a lip, like a liquid lip? I'm not sure with this brand. Like I have to, so that's that. I'm just going to swatch them, I guess. And this is this one right here. I don't know if that's an indicator of the color, but we'll find out. I guess you don't need a lot. Right there is the second one. Not bad. These are a little bit dark for lip colors. And we'll just do a little bit, but I don't mind. See, now this one's a little bit more glossy. The third one. Not bad. And then this one right here is a little bit darker. Definitely interesting. And this one's a little bit more, very dark. I would like to see some more neutral tones, pinks. I'm not sure, you know, what the purpose is. I'm assuming it's just a lipstick. Not bad. Not bad. I'm not unhappy so far. This is like killer right here. This is an eyeshadow palette. Sweet Surrender, Give In to the Temptation, the Ultimate Chocolate Palette. That's really nice. Palette for eye and face. Okay, so let's get this open and see what we have here. I don't have anything from P Louise. I've seen tons and tons of TikToks and Instagram. I see it on YouTube. Beautiful palette. Let's see. There is a mirror. Wow. I don't smell chocolate, but this is the palette right here. Beautiful. Beautiful neutral palette, and there are some creams. So that's not all powder. There are definitely creams. This is really pretty. A lot of neutrals. You got some good base colors. Neutrals. So it's definitely all, like, definitely all neutral, all browns. But still nice. Okay, I don't know what the palette range looks like on P Louise. Nice mirror. Great to try. I'm happy to try this. Chocolate palette. So I'm sure the price of the box would cover the palette. And I don't know the pricing on P Louise. I'm going to have to look. I did not want to do a deep dive because I didn't want to see any spoilers as to what maybe would come in the box. Palette for your eyes and face. The Ultimate Chocolate Palette. I didn't smell chocolate at all. I don't know. Can use, what does this say? Can use around your eyes, not for use. Well, I'm confused. Are there some shades that you can't use around your eyes? They have on the very back, and it's not going to come up for you. Here are the shades that you can use around your eyes and ones you cannot. Can use, and there's a typo on this. It says can use frowned the eyes, not around. And the other is not for use around the eyes and not for use. So some you can't use around the eyes. Well, then what's the purpose? I'm going to have to figure. Oh, so there's eyeshadows, face pigments, and cream shadows. Okay. Well, at least they tell you. So I'm interested to do a deep dive into that and see. I don't think horrible. If there's going to be lashes in every box, I don't mind to give them away. These, I just don't want all dark colors all the time. So we'll have to see what that is. I like the glitter eyeliners. Once again, so the glitter eyeliners, the base would be good for your eye base. And then the lip shades, like I said, they're a little on the dark side. But I don't mind a dark lip every once in a while. Not like a 10 out of 10 box, but not bad. Like I said, I'm sure the price of the palette will cover, you know, the cost of the box. And maybe a few of these other things. I will look into pricing, and now I'll do a little bit of deep dive on their website presentation. 10 out of 10. My opinion, packaging is beautiful. We'll have to, you know, see. We'll get this for, you know, another month or two and see what I think. See what kind of variety we get. And we'll move on from there. Let me know your thoughts. Do you get the P Louise box? Have you tried any P Louise products? Let me know. I am curious, but I'm loving the liners, the eyeliners, the glitter eyeliners so far. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.